Hey guys, what I'm going to share with you now is extremely important for your IELTS speaking exam, and it can have a huge impact on your speaking score. So before I tell you that, can I be honest with you about something? It's true about all of us actually. When you're stressed and nervous, you don't speak well. When you are confident, you're calm and you're relaxed, you speak fantastic. And that is true in your native language, and that is true in English. So this is critical for your IELTS score in speaking. Think about this. If I asked you, what score would you expect me to receive if I took the speaking exam for IELTS right now? You're probably thinking a 9, right? You're right. Brett, you're a native English speaker. You're an IELTS expert. You've taught this exam and you know this exam like the back of your hand. You have high English certifications. There's no reason why you shouldn't get a 9, Brett, the highest possible score. And I agree with you. But what if I told you I only got an 8 or a 7.5? What would you say then? You would say, Brett, why? What happened? And probably my answer would be, I was stressed. I was nervous. I wasn't confident and I didn't speak well. I couldn't even think well at my exam. So even though my English level was deserving a 9 and I could get that by my ability, I only received a score that was much lower because I was so stressed and nervous at the exam. So here are 3 things that you must be at your exam. You must be calm, relaxed, and confident. You probably don't realize this, but when you are sitting drinking tea or coffee with your best friend and speaking in your native language, your language is at its best at that point. Your vocabulary is huge. Your grammatical range is so wide. Your pronunciation, your intonation, your word stress, emphasis, all of these are showing themselves off, and you're able to communicate clearly and precisely in that stage. But how are you even in your native language when you're at your first job interview, or when you spoke before a crowd, your first public speaking event before an audience? You were probably scared and nervous and your speech was not so great. There is a strong connection between our language and our speech and how nervous or how calm we are. So this is vital and it can impact your score. So Brett, what must we do to get here? Maybe you say, Brett, I'm a naturally nervous person, or I hate exams. I always sweat and I stress out on my exams. Well, what can we do even for that personality type? The answer is the same. The answer is still simple. And no matter who you are, what your situation, my simple solution will help you to become calm, confident, and relaxed. I promise. So your answer, what will make you that way, is to practice. Practice, practice, practice. Now, not just any practice though. If you practice just speaking in English with your friend at the cafe, that's great and that will help you. But what I'm talking about here is IELTS speaking practice. Practice speaking exams. You can find these online. You can take one with me or with someone else and get feedback. It doesn't matter. You can even take the same practice speaking exam and repeat it over and over, and it will still help you because the more times you do it, the more comfortable you will be. And that's especially true with IELTS speaking because the style of the exam does not change. Sure, the topics, the questions change a little bit, but the style is unique and doesn't change. So the first time you take it, it's new, you're nervous, stressed, you're thinking too much. but the 5th time, 10th time, 20th time, you can do it in your sleep with your eyes closed. You can sit relaxed, calm and confident, just as you're talking to your best friend. And that allows you to reach into the full English language that you possess. When you're stressed and you're nervous, your language is severely limited. So get your full maximum score by being confident, by being calm, by being relaxed and comfortable. And you can do it by practice, practice, practice. In America, we have a phrase, practice makes perfect. Maybe not perfect, but at least comfortable. And practice for IELTS will get you your maximum score, especially in speaking, I promise. And lastly, I want you to know that I believe in you. I really do. No matter what score you want or what your dreams are, I believe you can reach it, and I believe that you will. Work hard, practice, use smart preparation ways and methods, and you can get there. I wish you success.